Question 8b, work out 3 3/4 minus 1 2/5. This is worth 3 marks. Pause here and unpause to check your answer, or if you don't know how to continue. There are a few different ways of doing these types of questions. Some ways will always work, some ways are easier but won't always work. The easiest way I think I can see for this question is to do the whole numbers, the 3 and the 1 first, and then do the part numbers, the fractions, afterwards, and then combine them at the end. So I can say that, first of all, I have to do 3 3/4 minus 1 2/5. First of all, I'll just do 3 minus 1, 2, so that one's easy. Then I've got 3/4 minus 2/5, 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5. I need to, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, you need to have the denominators written the same. So you need a common multiple of 4 and 5, and the lowest common multiple is best. That's called the lowest common denominator. So to do that, I can just multiply the two, or just find the lowest common multiple of both. With two small numbers like this, you can just ask yourself what number is in both the 4 times table and the 5 times table. The answer to that is 20. So my new denominator is going to be 20. And actually what I might do is have two separate ones just so you can see what's going on. So if my new denominator is going to be 20, well, 3 over 4, the denominator is going to be 20. How did I turn 4 into 20? Well, 4, and if you think about the 4 times table, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So if I multiplied 4 by 5, the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. So I will have to do times 5 as well. Well, 3 times 5, 5, 10, 15. So 3 over 4 is equal to 15 over 20. So I haven't changed its value, I've just changed its format. And 2 over 5, that will also be over 20 when I change it. So what do I have to do to 5 to make it 20? Well, if you think about the times table, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. If I multiply the denominator by 4, I also must multiply the numerator by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And that tells me that 2 over 5 is equal to 8 over 20. Now I've got both fractions with the same denominators, so I can just subtract across, and I can say that's just equal to 15 minus 8 over 20, which is equal to 7 over 20. I was asked to do 3 3/4 minus 1 2/5. Well, 3 minus 1 gave me 2. The fractions subtracted gave me 7 over 20. And when I add the two together at the end, my answer is 2 7/20. If you got 2 7/20, give yourself 3 marks.